Recording.
The reason why hotel sales office is because through this office, the establishment will be able to know if they are losing or gaining profit, if they are progressing or not. Second is, it serves as the information office of the establishment regarding sales and marketing of products and services. Second, the major responsibilities of the hotel sales and marketing specialty are first, organizing appointments and creating presentation to potential business. Second is assist the sales and marketing manager scheduling the clients, attending trade shows and shows around. This may involve gifting and